Hey everybody, it's Natasha with the Food Factor. Here's an easy and delicious foil pack that you're gonna like. Let's make tuna melted burgers. I have already preheated the oven to 350 degrees. I have my tuna I've separated with a fork, which makes it easy. And now I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. I'm starting off with my cheese, and I'm also gonna add mayonnaise. Most of these things you already have in your pantry. That's what makes this a quick and easy dinner, or you could take it to lunch. I'm adding celery. Tuna has a lot of health benefits to it. It has healthy fats. And I'm now adding my onions and salt. And I'm just gonna mix everything up. Everything is mixed together, and now I'm gonna begin to make my burgers. So I'm gonna add my tuna onto the sandwich. Then put the top on. I'm gonna center mine. And then I'm gonna fold my pack. Time for the reveal. I'm going to take the foil pack and open it up. You want to let these cool slightly before you serve them. And enjoy.